This is our property located at 2363 Arthur Way in West Haven. Cute townhome. We are just going to go through the front door. We've got a one-car garage here. This is located in an HOA. Alright, so we've got the main level. We've got stairs that go up. We've got our entryway here. Nice tile floors. And just to the left here, we've got storage closet, the water heater, and then just to the right is going to be the entrance to the garage. Get a quick peek in here. Got some storage shelves up here. Nice garage. All right, and then we've got our half bath just right here. So just a toilet and a sink here. All right, and then this is the family room here. We do have brand new carpet in this unit. Smells like a new home in here. Nice family room. It's bright and open. Dining area right here. And then the kitchen, we've got a subway tile backsplash. Black appliances. Nice dark cabinets. And then we've got a pantry here just to the side. Lots of storage in there. And then this door goes out to the common area. There's a huge grassy space out there. There's people out there, so I won't go video them. But nice huge grass area back there. All right, let's head on upstairs. This is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath townhome. All right, we're gonna head upstairs. Again, brand new carpet throughout the entire property. All right, first bedroom on the right here. This is gonna be our master bedroom. This is a good size bedroom. We've got a ceiling fan. Nice, bright and open. We've got a walk-in closet. Get a good view of that. Lots of shelving, plenty of space in there. And then we've got the master bathroom here. This is a tub shower combo. Vanity. Again, nice dark cabinets, tile floors. Nice, bright and open. All right, that's the master bedroom. And then just off to the master, we have the main bath. Nice big vanity. Again, the dark cabinets. Some storage here, and this is a tub shower combo as well. And then this property is equipped with a washer and dryer is included. Some lights on here. So nice, high efficiency washer and dryer here, shelving space up top. And then this just has our furnace here. All right, and then we've got some more storage right here in the hallway. Lots of storage in this unit. And then our other 2 bedrooms. So this is bedroom number 2. Get a quick view of the closet here. So we've got lots of space here in this closet. And then we'll catch bedroom number 3. And again, a similar closet in bedroom 3. All right, I am gonna get another quick look out the back. Lots of grassy space. There's a walking path. Lots of extra parking for your guests. All right, that's it for our Arthur Way property, 3-bed, 2.5 bath. If you're interested in this property, you can submit an application on our website at envypm.com. That's nvpm.com. Click on rental search and you can submit your application for the property that you're interested from there.